Hello friends, I am coming up with three methods. The first one is factorization method. Example number 1, limit x goes to 1, x minus 1 over 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Put x equal to 1. What you get? You will get 0 by 0. When you put x equal to 1, you are bound to get 0 by 0. So it means x minus 1 is a factor in the numerator as well as in the denominator. I have factorized this denominator. X minus 1 was already there in the numerator, and what you find, x minus 1 has come in the denominator also. So cancel this. So limit x goes to 1, 1 over 2x minus 5 will give you minus 1 by 3. Now let us go to second example. X cube minus x square log x plus log x minus 1. Limit x goes to 1. You will get 0 by 0. Factorize it. And you will find that x minus 1 comes factor in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Cancel it. Now you put x equal to 1 and you will get 3 by 2. Very simple. जब भी 0 by 0 आ जाए तो x minus 1 like this, limit x goes to 1, x minus 1 will be limit. This factor in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now let us go to rationalization. So when you are having irrational functions like this, firstly rationalize whether numerator or denominator. Never expect that they will be always in the denominator. It will be numerator, or it can be denominator, or it can be both. So in this case, it is in the numerator. Irrational functions are in the numerator. On rationalizing, what you will get? 1 over 2 root x. After rationalization and putting h is equal to 0, you will get 1 over 2 root x. Now let us go to this. Now in this case, rationalize the numerator as well as the denominator. And then you put x equal to 0. Look here, I have rationalized this also and this also. So on rationalization, this is cancelled up, and now you put x equal to 0, you will get root q over root p. So these were the two methods. Now I am going to the third one, standard formula. Now the standard formula is limit x goes to a, x raised to power n minus a raised to power n over x minus a. And it is equal to n a raised to power n minus 1. यहाँ पे आंसर छुपा हुआ है, यहाँ पे n नीचे उतारो, एक पावर कम कर दो. इट इज a raised to power n, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, a raised to power n minus 1. So here is the answer. Now look here. First example is x raised to power 10 minus 1024 over x minus 2. Limit x goes to 2. Now look here, in this standard formula, xa, 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 3 times are there. So here x2, x2, but in the numerator x2 is not there. Make it 2 raised to power 10. जितनी पावर यहाँ लिखी होगी उतनी पावर यहाँ, जितनी यहाँ लिखी हुई है n उतना ही यहाँ. So it is x raised to power 10 minus 2 raised to power 10 over x minus 2, limit x goes to 2. यहाँ पे आंसर छुपा हुआ है. 10 नीचे उतारो, एक पावर कम कर दो, 10 into 2 raised to power 9. Answer is 5120. Similarly, x raised to power m minus a raised to power m, x minus x की power n over a raised to power n in the denominator. Limit x goes to a. Now these are basically two questions. One is in the numerator, other in the denominator. But we have to put it in this shape, standard formula. So x minus a should be there in the denominator. So in the upper case, x minus a is not there. divide by x minus a. In the denominator also divide by x minus a. So you will get, answer is here, m a raised to power m minus 1. In the denominator it is n a raised to power n minus 1. So it will be m over n a raised to power m minus n. Now let us go to the next example. It is x raised to power 3 by 2 minus 27 over x minus 9. Limit x goes to 9. So we will convert this in power of 3 by 2. So it will be 9 raised to power 3 by 2. x9, x9, x9 3 times. So this is of 0 by 0 shape. The answer is written here. 3 by 2 नीचे उतारो, एक पावर कम कर दो, तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा 9 by 2. Let us go to the last one. Limit x goes to 0. 1 minus x raised to power n minus 1 over x. Now, in this case, it should be 1 minus x. Right here 1 minus x. And we have added 1, subtract 1 and take minus common. So you will get, answer is here only, n 1 raised to power n minus 1 and minus is already there. So it is minus n. So this was all I wanted to teach you today. I hope you might have understood all these three methods: rationalization, factorization and standard formula. Thank you very much, and I'll request you to please subscribe it if you like this video. Thank you. God bless you.